Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about a powerful manifestation technique called water manifestation technique. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to talk about a step-by-step procedure of how you can manifest your dreams, your intention, your desires, your goals with water manifestation, right? So first we need to understand why water manifestation, right? So understand the science behind it first. So water holds vibrational energy and memory, right? When you speak affirmation into water and then you drink it, you are literally programming your subconscious with your desires, right? So water carries energy, water carries memory. So when we actually have water and when we say something to the water, we actually directly putting that energy of words into that water, and when we drink that water, everything goes inside us in our cells, and then we start manifesting them, right? So it's a powerful technique. Now we need to understand that what you will need to actually perform this water technique, right? So let's understand. So first of all, you need a glass of water in your hand. So you can take a glass of water in your hand like that, right? So this is the glass of drinking water I have with me, and a quiet space, a very quiet space. Morning or night before, night is idle, when your mind is calm, you have a peaceful environment, and then you can say your affirmation, your intention to this water, right? So you need to choose your intention, or like what you exactly want to manifest, right? So be clear, very specific, and use the present tense in it, right? Let's say, for example, uh, you know for example, I can say I am manifesting five high paying high ticket I, I am manifesting five high ticket clients in October, easily, effortlessly, and they are my aligned client. They are ready to work on them. So this is how I can use the intention. So my intention is I am attracting, very specifically I'm saying five clients. I'm using the present tense. I can add the feeling. Wow, I'm feeling so happy that I have achieved my target, and thank you God G that it's already done. I can add the gratitude as well, right? So I just take the water, I find out what I need to manifest, and then I sit calmly, hold the water glass with both the hands like that, and speak to the water and repeat your affirmation aloud 3 to 5 times while looking at the water, right? And visualize the outcome if as if it's already done, right? Now when you actually imagine the water, what you can do is you can imagine the water with glowing with that intention. Feel the emotions while holding the glass. Feel gratitude, joy, and certainty. And think this water is now charged with my manifestation, and drink the water. Sit slowly with full awareness. So, this is what you need to do. And as you drink the water, you can imagine your cells absorbing the intention, right? So what I need to do, I can hold this glass of water in front of me. I can speak the affirmation, clear specific affirmation that I want to manifest 3 to 5 times loud. So I am attracting five high ticket paying clients in October. I'm feeling so happy and calm, and thank you, Godji. Thank you, Godji. It's already done. I have I have achieved five. I have achieved my goal. So you first thing that you need to understand, first you can write the affirmation on paper or somewhere and use the exact affirmation every time, right? So 3 to 4 times or 5 times I can just say that affirmation, same affirmation, and just look in the water with holding with both the hands. So I am attracting five high ticket clients in October 2025 with ease, with joy. Thank you, Godji. I'm feeling so happy. I am attracting aligned five high ticket clients in October 2025. Thank you, Godji. Thank you so much. I'm so happy and grateful. It's already done. Thank you, Godji. I'm attracting five high paying aligned clients in October 2025. I'm feeling so happy. Thank you. It's already done. I am attracting 5 high ticket clients, aligned high ticket clients in October 2025. Thank you, God Ji. It's already done. I'm so happy. And then slowly you can, you just, when you are holding this glass of water, you can feel the gratitude, this joy, the certainty that has already happened for you. And this water is now charged with my manifestation. You can imagine that this water is charged with your manifestation. You can imagine that reality, that you have already 5 signed client. You just feel that emotions and feeling, and then drink the water slowly and sip slowly with full awareness, right? So I can start sipping this water with, and I can sip slowly and with full awareness that what my intention are going into absorbing my body, absorbing my all body cells, and it's my reality, right? So this is how you need to do this water manifestation technique. So this is how you drink the water and you feel it and you absorb it, right? So water carries the energy, and when you give the right energy to the water and you drink it, it goes into your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind starts to manifest it, right? So what you need to understand is you need to do the daily practice for it, right? You can do it once in a day or twice in a day, right? You can do morning or at night before sleep. So consistency is more important than the duration, right? If you're doing it consistently, then definitely you can manifest your desire very fast. So ideally, how many days you can do this? You can do this for 7 days, 21 days, right? So this is how you can charge the water and you can drink it, and this is how you can use the powerful manifestation technique, water technique, to manifest your desires. And so many people have already achieved their goals with this powerful manifestation technique. And if you are going to use this, if you manifest your desire, make sure to mention here also, right? You can send me personally, you can comment me, if you can comment here, and let's create positivity together. Let's achieve our goal faster, right? So thank you so much for watching.